Waterway.
And did you have a pre-fish yesterday?
Yes, I did. It went fairly well. We just investigation now and water systems. But I think everyone caught a few fish yesterday, so it was a good time.
All right, mate, good luck. Folks, put your hands together for Steve Field and the guys at Hobie. Goodness, everybody can hear a bit better. The size limit that you're playing with is 23 centimetres and you are measuring to the fork.
I think so, yeah. One of the boats you go.
Guess where everyone's going?
Yes,
12. Yeah. What time are you going to come back in at 1?
Yeah, but he wants to...
Yeah.
Duke, you're hanging a little bit.
Oh. They're all there.
Everybody's heading down. Like a mass exodus. That body's going that way, look.
Yeah. Nice couple.
Some of them are going over every last year.
Here we are, Gold Coast. Good morning.
Yeah, they were going to say that you had...
Good morning. Morning. Good morning. Ah, it is. Morning. Morning.
You can fit the today. Drive along the front, around the other side there, with those big road cars. Did you go down?
I didn't go that far. I went, found another little way. I went down there and then found this other spot. You could see the brim like that. That's where